Did you know that Canva can help you make your designs more accessible? Let's go and look at that. Now, I'm giving a talk for the Society of Authors ADCI group, Authors with Disability and Chronic Illness group, about accessibility features in Canva, and I thought I would share one with you. What I've done is I've opened a file full of book covers that I've designed, because I do that for fun, and I've got this one. And I want to see how accessible this design is and what I can do to improve it. So what the accessibility thing does, it doesn't give you full compliance with the accessibility standards, but it checks to see whether you've got color contrast, whether you've added alt text, that kind of thing. And so you go to File, Accessibility, check Design Accessibility. And it'll do some thinking. While we're waiting, this is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. If you are an author and would like to talk to other authors, come join the Facebook group, link is in the description. If you'd like some free stuff, again, link in the description. And thank you very much to everybody who has bought me a cup of tea so far. I find it really helpful and it helps me keep going. Right. Oh, we've got quite a few things. There's a lot of issues with color contrast. So let's go and investigate what's going on there. To add alt text, you just choose alternative text. I should really go and mark all of these as decorative because they are. But that's how you add alt text. Low contrast text is hard to read for people with visual impairments or color blindness. So it suggests a different color. And I think it's actually chosen colors from within the design. In this one, it says color contrast is low. Let's have a look what it suggests. I don't want to use any of those colors, but what I can do is I can put a lift underneath it. Okay, so I've resolved some of the issues with this book cover or this design to make it slightly more accessible. Actually, this has the advantage that when this cover is in black and white on Kindle, it will look pretty clear as well. So that is one way to check how accessible your designs are. If you're a member of the Society of Authors, do come to my talk. It's on their Vimeo channel. If you found this useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.